Hi, hello, namaste. Good evening to all. Myself, Murali PG, on behalf of Unacademy. Here today I am going to take a YouTube class regarding with the human blood circulation. With respect to Karnataka CET 2021, we introduced from Unacademy side, we introduced some of the classes. With respect to these classes, the informations are as follows: plus subscription, where you will going to get detailed theory followed with the MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz, and unlimited access will be there for your subscription. So use my referral code and get 10% off regarding with my classes. Okay, and on behalf of Unacademy, one of the class in the respect to Karnataka CET 2021, it is plus subscription, and secondly it is a comprehensive batch. So what is this comprehensive batch? Here complete syllabus is covered, tips and tricks by top educators, topic wise practice question, and full length mock test will be there. And here also use my referral code KCET Murali and get 10% off regarding with the price value. Okay, in the case of Unacademy, we have another course, that is the next one, it is the Mestros batch. So it was started from 15th of this month, and means in the last month, in the December, and this is going to have the coverage of theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz. Myself, I am taking this class. In this month I am focused on reproductive biology, that human reproduction, then reproductive health, sexual reproduction, flowering plant, and fourth topic it will be the molecular biology. Okay, so these are the different topics for this month. Next, comprehensive batch is also there. Myself, I am also taking comprehensive batch in Kannada English version. Best plan for KCET 2021 aspirants with the 12-month plan, 6-month plan with the 6-month full syllabus coverage, doubt clearance session, then course completion in Kannada language, then multiple batches are going to be launching every month. So best plan for aspirants, and free practice test for Karnataka CET, and it is for free, so you can use this one. So as a result, you will get a more number of questions from our side. And also here I am taking several special classes along with the plus class. So how to subscribe for this one? First of all, you have to download the Unacademy Learners app from Play Store, install it, and under search goal you have to select state CET, under which Karnataka CET, in that biology, for that PCMB or PCB, for that biology, myself Murali PG. So use my use code or referral code, that is KCET Murali, and you can have the route to enter into my special class. And also to get 10% off for the subscription of plus class, you can use this KCET Murali and get 10% off with respect to plus subscription amount. Okay, for Mestros batch or comprehensive batch or plus course, under that use my referral code, that is KCET Murali, and get 10% off. Okay, so that is what the brief note towards Karnataka CET aspirants in the case of Unacademy. So from Unacademy we introduced several different types of courses. Use it and prepare well with respect to the exam point of view with respect to Karnataka CET and achieve your goal in oncoming Karnataka CET. So let us crack Karnataka CET together. Okay. By this brief part under which different courses. So here now I am entering towards today's class on human blood circulation. So first question under which we are going to have this MCQ. So it includes about 25 questions. So first question, the normal diastolic blood pressure in a normal healthy adult human is. Yes, Mahima, welcome to the class. Good evening. So normal diastolic blood pressure in a normal healthy adult human is. So we are having diastolic pressure and systolic pressure. So systolic pressure is what, 120, isn't it? What about diastolic pressure? It is 80. So usually we are telling that 120 bar 80 mm of Hg. That is what the systolic and diastolic blood pressure, isn't it? Systolic and diastolic blood pressure 120 bar 80. This is the systolic and this is the diastolic blood pressure. So right answer for this question number 1, it is A. Yes, Devesh, namaste, hi, good evening, welcome to the class. So the next question, it is dash is a blood disorder where hemoglobin is defective. Yes, of course, well known disorder that is nothing but sickle cell anemia, where oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin will reduce, and this will going to have the change of RBC structure into biconcave disc shape. So change of RBC structure into biconcave disc shape will be the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin will reduce. What is the reason behind this? This is because of what? Change of amino acid sequence in the 6th position with respect to beta chain of hemoglobin. Beta chain of hemoglobin in the 6th position. Glutamic acid is replaced by valine. So due to point mutation, isn't it? Point mutation. So this is the answer. So D is the right answer. Yes, Devesh, you are right. Alina, welcome to the class. Hello. Yes. Next question number 3rd. Which of the following two word items mean the same thing? Blood cancer, haemophilia, pacemaker, SNO, osteoporosis, arthritis, none of the above. So 3rd one, pacemaker, SNO. So natural pacemaker, it is the sinoatrial node which is present in the right atrium wall. It is the natural pacemaker. Maintain normal heart beat. Normal heart means it is important to maintain the rhythm of heartbeat. Rhythm of heartbeat is going to be controlled by SA node. SA node is important to produce the signal for heartbeat. That is the answer here. pacemaker. It will going to maintain the pace or rhythm of heartbeat. So right answer is B for third one. Fourth one, you can answer, okay? Yes, natural pacemaker Mahima, yes, no, you are right, good work. Krishan, welcome to the class. Good evening. Next, question number 4. In adult humans, dash of lead or less in the blood is considered to be normal. So, what about the concentration? Lead or less in the blood is considered to be normal. That is the 10 microgram per deciliter of blood. DL refers to deciliter. If the concentration of that one is lesser than that of 10 microgram per deciliter, then it is good to the human being. It's normal. If it is above that one, it is not good with respect to human blood. So fourth question over. Fifth question. In humans, dash is the difference between systolic and diastolic pressure. 120/80. So what is the difference? 120 minus 80, it is 40. So 40 mm of Hg. It is the difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure. That is what our things in the case of requirement for the circulation of blood. So right answer for the question number 5, it is 40. A is the right answer. Next, sixth one. An individual's blood is classified as dash if an inherited protein is found on the surface of blood cells. So here blood cells refers to RBC. On the wall of RBC, if the presence of RH, so an individual blood is classified as RH positive if an inherited protein is found on the surface of the blood cells. So here RH, anti-D, antigen D, if it is there, then that is the RBC wall. If it is having the antigen D wall or coating around it, then it is considered as RH positive. If antigen D is absent, then it is called RH negative. So here an individual blood is classified as RH positive if an inherited means from parent to offspring. So that antigen D production on the wall of RBC is because of the genes which are responsible for the production of that antigen, which was inherited from parent to offspring. So right answer for sixth one, it is D. Next, seventh question. Dash is a condition where plaque build up on the inside of arteries. Plaque refers to clotting, will going to be there inside the arteries. So that condition, that disorder is called what? It is called atherosclerosis. Development of a plaque in the inside of arteries, that is called atherosclerosis, one of the disorder of human blood circulation. So seventh one, D is the right answer. Then eighth one, dash is a prenatal test in which a sample of the fluid that surrounds the fetus is recovered for testing. What is that test? What is the name of that test? It is called amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is the test where in the amniotic fluid chromosomal pattern is going to be studied, and it is important to know about if there is any genetic disorder. If it is there, then it can be rectified. So for that amniocentesis test is usually done. But for the sex determination also, this amniocentesis test in some of the areas or in some of the condition that test it is going to be misused alva. So for that proper steps should be taken. So right answer for 8th one is a C. Yes, Shishika, welcome to the class, good evening. Manohar, welcome to the class, good evening. Yes, my dear students, tomorrow there will be another YouTube class. That topic is microbes in human welfare. Same time tomorrow at 9 p.m. Okay. And tomorrow I am going to take one special class under Unacademy. Okay, special class, that is capsule course on human anatomy. Capsules on human anatomy. That is on tomorrow in case of special class. How to enter into special class? You have to select the Unacademy Learners app from Play Store, install it, and after that go to under search go state, select the state CET, and under that Karnataka CET KCET, in which Murali PG classes of my side, that is by using KCET Murali you can enter into the special class as a new learner. And if you want more things, please use the plus subscription. Okay, yeah, so get more at my plus class, apply my referral code KCET Murali and get 10% off with respect to all plus class courses. Okay, yes, next question. Yes, Surekha, welcome to the class, good evening. Dash carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs from the right ventricle. So we know that right ventricle, left ventricle. Right ventricle is going to receive and pump the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. So in which blood vessel it will going to be carried? So right answer is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is going to have the pathway for the transport of deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs for oxygenation, and pulmonary vein will carry the oxygenated blood from lungs into left auricle, and later left ventricle will going to pump that blood into body parts. So 9th one, A is the right answer. Yes, Sureka, no, class finish agila. Okay, it's not finished. In between that one I just said about the special class. Okay, yeah, it is not end till 9:30. There will be 25 questions. Okay, we will discuss all the questions. Yeah, next question number 10. So for 9th one, yes, A is the right answer. Sheshika, yeah, you are right. Manohar, good one, you are right, both are right. Next question, snake venom usually enters the body through an open wound and enters the bloodstream through the what? Snake venom. So during the time of snake bite, the venomous content, that is snake venom, will enter into the blood through that wound, enters the bloodstream. How? Which is the pathway? That is the lymphatic system. First of all, it will enter into the lymph and later into the blood. So lymph is the fluid which is present between the cell and the blood vessel. So lymphatic system. Okay, so one of the very dangerous condition, isn't it? Yeah. Next, for dash forms clot when blood vessels get damaged. Dash forms clot when blood vessels get damaged to minimize the loss of blood. That is what? Platelets. So under blood we are having RBC, WBC and platelets. Platelets are important with respect to our blood clotting mechanism. So where thrombin thread is going to be formed, that will going to make the meshwork like structure, isn't it, in that wounded site. In that meshwork like structure we can observe the trapping of this platelets. So platelets are irregular shaped structures, isn't it? So blockage of that wounded site will be there. So like this. So that portion will going to be blocked. So irregular cells, that is the platelet. Irregular cells fragments of megakaryocyte, it is a platelet. Platelets are with cytoplasm without nucleus, so that will going to make the entire patch with respect to a wounded site. So as a result, we can observe the minimum loss of the blood. So right answer is A for 11th one. 12th one. Dash is a fluid that drains from the lacteals of the small intestine into the lymphatic system during digestion. It usually contains fat and proteins. Which is that fluid? It is the chyle. It is the chyle. Chyle is the right answer for that question. Okay, chyle. So under digestion and related with our circulation. Next, dash is a small branch of an artery that leads into capillaries. What is that? Branch of artery later gives capillary. It is the arteriole. So we can say between the artery and capillary, that is arteriole, isn't it? Between the artery and capillary we can observe arteriole. So artery gives arteriole. The finest particle of arteriole later gives a capillary. So that capillaries will going to supply the blood to the individual cell of the tissue. Next, humans use hemoglobin to carry oxygen in their blood. Similarly, mollusca and crustaceans use dash to carry oxygen in their blood. So we are with the oxygen carrying respiratory pigment, iron containing respiratory pigment, that is a hemoglobin. What about the particle observed in the case of mollusca and crustacea? Molluscans belonging to what? Phylum mollusca, and crustaceans belonging to arthropoda, where how to carry that oxygen? So which is the molecule? It is the hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. Usually it is the hemocyanin is the right answer for the question number D. So question number 14, D is the right answer. Okay. So hemocyanin. Our case hemoglobin. Listen. Next. Severe loss of blood due to trauma is called what? Severe loss of blood due to some emergency condition, trauma, accidental phenomena. What is that name? Exsanguination. Exsanguination. It is the terminology used to denote severe loss of blood due to trauma. Okay. For 15th, A is the right answer. Okay. Yes, for Shishika you are right. Good work. Okay. Exsanguination. It is a term to denote severe loss of blood due to trauma. Next, question number 16. Dash is a condition where a blood clot forms in the circulatory system. What is that? In the circulatory system inside the blood vessel, we can observe the blockage or clotting. What is that phenomenon? It is the thrombus. That phenomena is that condition is called thrombus. Okay. Yes, my dear students, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to take one special class at 3 p.m. that is related with our human anatomy. That is on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 9 p.m. I'm taking once again YouTube class, that is microbes in human welfare. So special class category under which tomorrow I'm taking human anatomy. Okay. Next, question number 17. Adult human RBC are enucleate, means what? Nucleus is absent. Which of the following statements are most appropriate explanation for this feature? human RBCs are enucleate. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 4 statements are there. They do not need to reproduce. They are somatic cells. They do not metabolize. All their internal space is available for oxygen transport. Which statement is right regarding that property? So here for 17th question, D is the right answer. Only 4th statement is right. They do not need to reproduce. They are somatic cells. They do not metabolize. No, all these things are not appropriate explanation for this statement. Adult human RBCs are enucleate. All their internal space is available for transport of oxygen. For nucleus is not needed. RBC inside that hemoglobin molecule is there, so it is not needed with respect to any nucleus. The main agenda of RBC is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. That's all. So answer is D for question number 17. 18. The hepatic portal vein drains blood to liver from which part of the body? Hepatic portal vein. What is this hepatic portal vein? Hepatic portal system is the interconnection of blood vessels between the liver, digestive system and circulatory system and excretory system. The excretory system, circulatory system and digestive system is interconnected with each other. That is through hepatic portal system. So hepatic portal vein drains the blood to liver. Drains blood to liver from which area? So 18th one, that is intestine. From the intestine. So Manoj, welcome to the class. Thanks for your compliments. Shishika, yes, for previous question it is D is the right answer. For 18th question the right answer is C, intestine, because intestine is rich with the nutrient. Okay, then name the blood cells whose reduction in number can cause clotting disorder leading to excessive loss of blood from the body. Clotting disorder. So blood clotting is not observed. So excess loss of blood will be there, which is that one. That is the thrombocyte. Thrombocyte is also called what? Platelets. So platelets are absent or severe reduction in the number of platelets. Usually 1.5 lakhs should be there. So reduction of the severe reduction in the platelet will going to have, or thrombocyte will going to have clotting disorder. Isn't it? Next, yes, Sureka, you are right for the last question. For 19th question, D is the right answer. For 20th question, serum differs from blood. Serum ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, serum is the plasma of the blood is there. What is the difference? Serum differs from blood with respect to our fluid content. What is that? So 20th one, so right answer is C, lacking clotting factor. Serum is the plasma without clotting factor. Clotting factor is absent, then it is called serum. Blood plasma without clotting factor. Okay, next, so answer for 20th one, yes Sureka, you are right, good work. Then 21st question. So totally we are having 25 questions, another 4 questions remaining. Stay with us. Blood pressure in the pulmonary artery is, blood pressure in the pulmonary artery, not pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, which will carry the blood from heart into lungs for oxygenation. Am I right? Yeah. Pulmonary artery, the blood pressure. So 21st, it is more than that in the pulmonary vein. More than that in the pulmonary vein, that is the pulmonary artery blood pressure. So answer for this one, it is A is the right answer. Then next question, in mammals, which blood vessel would normally carry largest amount of urea. So in the mammal, because of telekinesis, isn't it? So in mammals, which blood vessel? So 22nd, it is hepatic vein, because hepatic vein will carry that urea into the region where it is going to be excreted, isn't it? Yeah. Hepatic vein ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? It is from the liver. Liver ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So after the metabolism ornithine cycle, urea is going to be produced, and that urea is going to be transported through blood vessel and to the region of kidney where the filtration is going to be occur. So right answer is A, hepatic vein. Yes, Sheshika. For previous 20, I think 21st question, A is the answer, it is not C. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, next question number, I think 23rd. Yeah, which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathway? Separate means double circulation. Whale or blue whale, shark, frog, lizard. So which is that one? 23rd, it is A. Whale is the mammal. In mammal, we can observe double circulation. In shark, it is fish, isn't it? It is two-chambered heart. And it is not showing any double circulation. Frog, three-chambered heart. Lizard, once again three-chambered heart, where double circulation is not there. So two separate circulation refers to oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood will going to be